it's Chriso. I'm just doing this niche. I'm doing my uprights and my top and bottom. In my last video it was cutting the aluminium. I just checked that I wasn't putting on too much glue. If you put on too much glue, you can get into trouble. So that's something that you watch all the time. That the wedgie is going to be a bit of a pain. But we'll get there. DIYs. Always do your sides first. You'll find it easy or easier. Push it in square. Grab a wedge. That gives you the adjustment to bring it out a tad, your wedge. Nice, nice, nice. Check it that it's square. Right, that's my square, that's square. Beautiful. Always making sure that you've got glue on the edge to pick up the aluminium. Where's the sponge? Don't know. Oh yeah, there's one. I've got some water somewhere. Once I've done this niche, then I can clear everything out. I'll knock out my clips and I'll start grouting white. Grout. We'll just give that a bit of a wipe. Always try and be as clean as you can. Right, square edge. I don't fluff about with a square. You always got a piece of tile that's square. See that? Bang on. I like it. Then you do your top and bottom, because once your sides are done, you're just marking it to length, like this. I might just duck out and cut that off with my grinder. I don't think it'll break that successfully with on the cutter. Right, now we've got a little bit of glue to go in there, but it's only about 5 mil. I'm wanting to give it a little bit of slope, everyone. So I'll go along my tile like that. Turn it around. Give it a bit where the aluminium's going to be. And then I always like to use the milled edge of the tile against my aluminium. Right, that where is a square piece? That's a milled edge, so it's square. You just check. See that? I've got 3 mil of slope. I reckon that's too much. Give it a little bit less. Doesn't need to be that much, you know. The thickness of a grout line, 1.5 to 2 mil, is heaps, I reckon. Doesn't have to be huge that the shampoo slides off the shelf. No. No. Right, just the top to do. Mark it. Now I'm wanting to push it up so it stays there, but I still don't want to put up heaps of glue. That, you know. My glue could be just a little bit stiffer. It's just a little bit soft, but we'll be right. Give it a good push up. And there you have it. I might even just cut a prop. It's not the first time that you go onto something else and you look over and this is sagging and you, oh bummer. It falls off of something, so it doesn't take much just to put a prop in. a little bit too tight. I'll cut it a bit looser and use a wedge. And that just stops it from falling. Another little precaution. This is all just sort of little things that you learn along the way, guys. Now that I've got a wedge in there, there's no chance of it falling because I've taped it. Right. Now, I can just check make sure I'm out a little bit. So I'll wedge it out, just checking my miters.